Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a message to a user on the Pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that you should go to your homepage and tap on the picture. And then you should select the user, tap on the message button, tap on add the message, and then type in your message and click on the send button. So your message will be sent automatically, and if you tap on the messages button in the upper right corner of the screen, then here you can find the conversation with this Pinterest user. If you want to, you can tap on this more button and report it. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.